Hi, this is Tina with ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken asparagus stir fry. This chicken asparagus stir fry is a delicious and easy Chinese dish. Marinated chicken stir fried with crunchy asparagus, healthy and tasty. What's not to love? First, gather your ingredients. You're going to need 1 pound of skinless, boneless chicken thighs cut into about 1-inch cubes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 pound of asparagus, trimmed and cut into about 1-inch length, 4 cloves of garlic, crushed, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then salt to taste. In a Ziploc bag or mixing bowl, mix the chicken, cornstarch, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Combine well and then set it aside to marinate for about half an hour. If it's any more than that, pop it in the refrigerator. In a cooking pan or wok, add cooking oil and let it heat up on medium-high. Add garlic and chicken along with all the marinade sauce and stir fry for about 2 minutes or until the chicken is no longer translucent. And immediately remove the chicken from heat by placing it in a big bowl or plate and set aside. Try to keep the sauce in the pan. Add a little more cooking oil into the pan if your pan is too dry. Then add asparagus and stir fry for about 5 minutes or until the asparagus start turning bright green. Return the chicken and the garlic back into the pan and add sugar and salt to taste. Stir fry everything together for about another 2 minutes or 3 minutes or until the chicken is cooked thoroughly and the asparagus is tender. Remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make chicken asparagus stir fry. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.